This quarter, we conducted an experiment to build and test 3 different methods to amplify the sound of your cell phone speaker. Did you? This quarter, we conducted an experiment to build and test 3 different methods to amplify the sound of your cell phone speaker. Did you know sound waves like the one that came out of your cell phone speaker can be amplified by placing the cell phone in a cup?
You can boost the volume 10 decibels or more just by putting your phone in a cup or bowl. Just make sure it doesn't have water or soup in it. Different materials and shapes will get you different results, so you should experiment a little to see what gives you the loudest sound. Paper cups often work better than glass or ceramic. Bonus tip time: if you use a paper cup, you can cut a little hole in the bottom for your charger. This is a great way to boost the volume for your music too. It works with any phone or MP3 player with speaker. You can boost the volume 10 decibels or more just by putting.
This works because sound behaves like a wave, and waves have properties that allow them to stack their crest, or highest points, on top of each other and increase the intensity of the wave. In the case of your cell phone, it would increase the amplitude of the wave, increasing the intensity of loudness of the sound. Different materials like paper, plastic, glass, or ceramic can distort the sound as well. Using a cup as a speaker works because sound behaves like a wave. The local vibrations of the air molecules are responsible for what we perceive as sound. So, if you think of these vibrations like a wave and think of the highest of the wave of being its intensity, then you can think of how waves can stack upon each other or cancel out. If the peaks of these waves happen to line up, the vibrational energy intensifies. This is called constructive interference. If you get a peak to line up with a trough, the vibrational energy cancels and you can hear nothing or a diminished sound. This is called destructive interference. Now, if you think of the same energy with a shape like the inside of a cup, then it's easy to realize that the sound and energy is being spread out in every single direction. The energy tries to go in all directions inside of the cup, and the cup can reflect some of this energy back out of the opening. The occurrence of its peak lining up then can happen easier because there are many more opportunities for this to take place. Therefore, interference will certainly occur, and this creates what you observe as amplified sound. The results of my experiments are found here. Plastic amplified the best with the least distortion. There are ways to measure this exactly by using an app on your cell phone to measure decibels, but I was already using my cell phone inside the cup. So next time I will borrow a phone from a friend and measure the decibel changes. Distortion is subjective, so I may have more friends there to listen and give feedback to increase the sampling pool. Please try this at home and leave an answer on our Padlet about your results.